What can we learn from the frame-by-frame breakdown of Ray Tenzing's body camera?
Well, today, jurors saw a video expert testify about what it tells us frame by frame, but will this make any sort of an impact? Tanya O'Rourke anchors our live coverage from trial today, just from outside the Hamilton County Courthouse. Tanya?
Well, Craig and Carol, jurors also saw a videotaped interview with Ray Tenzing after that shooting, and that had never been shown to the public prior to today. And the prosecutor's star witness, that body camera video expert, well, they say Ray Tenzing was not dragged and that Sam DuBose's car only moved after Ray Tenzing shot and killed Sam DuBose. So what does all this mean for the jury? For that, we go to our Tom McKee, standing by live outside the courthouse. Tom?
Well, I talked with Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters after court, and he told me he was carefully watching the faces of jurors as his video expert was on the stand and that they were paying very close attention. But defense attorney Stu Matthews said that same expert backs his client's claim of self-defense. Once again, we have two widely differing viewpoints on how Sam DuBose was shot.
Ray Tenzing watched the video from his body camera just hours before making a statement to Cincinnati police in July of 2015. That happened 2 days after Sam DuBose was shot because of union rules. And Tenzing said he drew his gun and fired only after being dragged by the speeding vehicle.
The only shot I could see that I could take to stop the threat was a headshot. That's the only part of his body I could really see at that point and had a clear visual of.
But forensic video analyst Grant Fredericks went through a lengthy frame-by-frame presentation that countered Tenzing's statement.
The perspective shows that the movement forward would have been no more than a couple of feet.
And you also have an opinion, at the time of the shooting, had Officer Tenzing been dragged at all by that vehicle?
No, he had not been.
Fredericks' statements produced what you'd expect, two versions of one set of facts.
He said it moved about a foot. I mean, we don't dispute that. But you don't shoot somebody over a traffic stop.
And he took 45 minutes to present something that happened in a few seconds. The one thing I took away from it was that the car was in motion when the shot was fired, which is our thing throughout.
DuBose's mother, Audrey, urged everyone to study that video very closely.
When people can't look at the body cam and see what happened, sometimes they can't even hear or they don't want to see.
Well, and Tanya, the prosecution's case continues here tomorrow with a use of force expert and also testimony from analysts at the Hamilton County Coroner's Office.